guys, I bought something that I've been really excited to buy for quite a while now, and I think it's really going to elevate the audio of all my driving that I do with my BMW M2, and that is this. This is the DJI MIC 2 set, and I'm so excited to try this out, guys. So here's the little box. If you open the box, you have all the mics and stuff in there. So what we're gonna be doing in this video is we're actually gonna be testing these out and seeing kind of how they fare for car content. And more specifically, there's actually a very specific reason why I picked these up. Because a lot of my recording that I do on my GoPro with an external microphone. The reason I bought these is because it comes with 2 transmitters. Now, why would I need 2 transmitters? One is gonna go in the engine bay, and one is gonna go above the exhaust. And then my typical audio camera is gonna go inside the car. This, I think, is gonna make such a world of difference for recording actual car content, because I'm now gonna be able to capture engine sounds and exhaust sounds so much better than before. Because this is a test, let's get into actually setting these up. So like I said, one of these is gonna go in the engine bay and one is gonna go on the exhaust. Okay, let's go to the engine bay. Okay, now we gotta figure out where in the hell we are going to put this thing. Ooh, that feels really nice right there. Yeah, that's where we're gonna leave it. We're gonna put it right there and hope for the best. Hopefully we can get some good sounds there. All right, done deal. I think the only real place I can put it, because I can't really clip it securely to this thing. It makes me really nervous. So I think the only place I can safely put this is literally, well, actually no, that actually feels really secure right there. Yeah, I think right there is probably as good as we're gonna get it. Let's fire her up. Let's see what we get on here. I'm looking at this because it shows my audio levels for both the front and the back. And we're gonna fire her up and then go for a little drive and just kind of hope for the best. So let's do a startup sound. Put it in Sports Plus. Here we go. Yeah, my audio levels are looking good so far, guys. Let's give it a rev. Yeah, my audio levels are looking good so far, guys. Let's give it a rev. I think this is gonna be real promising, guys. I think this is gonna be real promising. So let me put this over here. And let's just go for a drive. Let's just see how it goes. I'm so excited to try these out, guys. I'm so stoked. You guys have no idea. By the way, this thing comes in like the most nice case. Like, honestly, it kind of sucks because I carry like this for all my recording equipment, and now I have this for the DJI. So a bit annoying, but well, I'll look into buying a new case or something. I'll figure it out, guys. All right, here we go. Audio levels are looking good. So let's go for a bit of a spirited drive. Nothing too crazy, but I just want to kind of ring it out a little bit. Just kind of see how it sounds. What I think I'm going to do is I'm going to like drive around, and I'm gonna show some bits with this audio that I'm picking up on the GoPro, and then clips with the DJI audio. Everything looks pretty good. Nothing's really peaking. Nothing looks like it's too loud. So I really have high hopes for this. And like I keep looking down every now and then at the little receiver. I don't know how well you can see, but that basically shows you kind of the decibel level. So if I give it a rev, you'll see one of these will kind of go up. As I'm kind of really ripping it, every now and then I'll like look down just to be sure that it's not peaking. And peaking basically means like it's going into the red, which you don't really want when you're recording audio, because there's a chance that it'll clip and it'll sound distorted when you actually go in to edit it. So as long as it's not kind of peaking and clipping, we should actually be fine. This may actually give us really phenomenal audio. Now we have no traffic in front of us. We are good to just go. We had traffic again, so I put on air conditioning. We're just kind of gonna go for a low cruise, but I think we got some awesome footage, and I'm really excited to review it in post. I won't know how it sounds until then, and I'm really excited to show you guys kind of how it sounds, because I'm hopeful, and I hope at this point in the video you guys are hopeful. So let's go pull back over, and then we're going to experiment a little bit here inside the cabin. We've taken off now the DJI mics. Both of them were in exactly the same spot I left them. They didn't move like a centimeter. Phenomenal. So the one on the back, perfectly safe. The one in the engine bay, perfectly safe, although it is a little toasty. I'm now recording, so I have one like all the way up in the footwell, as kind of far up as it goes, to see if I get more kind of deep, crunchier engine sounds. And then this one, we're gonna put right here. And I'm gonna see how the audio recording is, kind of as I look this way, windows down, windows up. I'm gonna test all of that. So the whole video now, obviously I've been talking to that camera. And now, let's switch to the audio for this one. Now, everything that you guys are hearing should hopefully, if I edited everything correct and everything recorded fine and there's no headaches, no problems, everything should now be coming through either this one or the one down there in the footwell. So once again, we're gonna do pretty much the same thing. We're gonna go for a lap around kind of where I drive. So now that we're on some better roads, let's see if we can roll down the windows and get some audio footage that way. And then let's see how it picks up with my talking as well, because I have the windscreen on here, but again, I don't know if I have to have like noise reduction on to help with this wind noise, or if this is going to be enough. I have no idea, guys. This is really a full test, and I'm going to play around with these settings kind of as I go. But for now, I think this will be a good test. I think a worthwhile experiment. Now, if you can't tell, the orientation of this mic is actually pointing this way. So it's pointing away from the window. So I'm curious if I put it like on my shirt facing the window, if the wind is going to be louder, if it's going to be worse wind noise. I have no idea. So it's something that I'm definitely going to test kind of as I go. But for now, as a preliminary test, I think this is really good. I still keep looking down at my audio levels and everything looks to still be pretty okay. It's just now my concern is just the wind noise, just making sure that everything the mic is picking up is, you know, good sound, that it's not being distorted by the wind. And we'll just see. I'm just really curious how these go. And I know I'm rambling quite a bit in this video, as I really do in all my videos, but I think in this case it's good because I can really test out the audio, and because inevitably all I really do in my videos is talk, so being able to test that audio is a good thing. We're gonna do a little pull here in a little bit, see if we can pick up the outside pops. on the inside. So we'll put in Sports Plus to really get that audio going of the exhaust. So I had a little pop there. We'll see if that picked up on the camera at all or not. Nothing too crazy, just the 5,000 RPM. The road gets very twisty in here. Not too fast. Hovering between 4,000 and 5,000 RPM. So I think I got enough footage for a good test. I mean, I tested pretty much everything I wanted to test. The engine bay, the exhaust. I tested kind of this mic, the mic down there. So I'm gonna compile this up and kind of show you guys what I got. I'm gonna probably do a separate video at some point giving kind of more of an in-depth impression once I've recorded a couple times as more of like a review. But right now as like a test, I'm really excited to see how this came out. If you like this video, leave me a like, leave me a comment letting me know what you think. If you have the DJI MIC 2s, kind of what's your impression of them? What do you think about them? And subscribe if you want to see more videos from me in the future. But I hope you like this little experiment. I know I enjoyed filming this one. I think it'll be a huge upgrade if they actually work out. So that's all for now. Thank you guys so much for watching. Till next time.